Aloha family, once again, mahalo for being here. Thank you so much. Mahalo, mahalo, and mahalo. Right? We could be anywhere else in the world today, but we chose to be right here, right now, in beautiful Olowalu, Maui.
Susan, you truly are the love of my life. I promise to be the husband you always dreamed of. Loving you, protecting you, honoring and serving you. I'm so grateful you love me and want to spend the rest of your life with me as your husband. I love you with all my heart.
Chad Michael Trinan. You're the kind of person who makes anyone who meets you immediately see your kindness and humility. And I'm truly honored that you fell in love with me. I promise to love you and respect you through every stage of life as we grow older. And I promise to never stop noticing all of the little things you do for me as they constantly remind me why I love you so much. And when the glamour and excitement of today fades away, I promise to love you just as much tomorrow as I do today. And my heart is home with you, and I'm so very lucky.
Dear Lord, please clear a spot for him. He should have the perfect view. And if he should get sad today, dear Lord, she's counting on you.
This is it. This is your new chapter. Be grateful and find joy in every step in life. May you live to love and love to live. Congratulations to you both. Now with the blessings of all and the power vested to be by the state of Hawaii, it is my pleasure to pronounce you both husband and wife, wife and husband. Chad, you know what to do next, my friend. Go for it. May kiss your beautiful bride.
Something that makes us complete when we finally see. Here with the sun on our backs, it's all we need. Together with hearts intertwined, there's nothing quite like it. There's love enough to go around, and space. Breathe it in and slowly breathe it out. There's a place just for us here in the gold dust. This freedom that comes with the calm helps us belong. 3,000 miles left behind, and still we run. It's oh so beautiful if we fly. Arms out wide. There's love.
Susan, I hope you know how grateful I am for calling you my soul sister. Chad, you're a lucky guy to have found such a rarity. Susan is special, unique, and valuable. So, help me to wish Susan and Chad a lifetime of unconditional love and continued strength and resilience. Congratulations.
We wait on you, Lord.
Susan, I remember when my wife and I met you for dinner, and I knew that night that you were perfect for Chad. You brought out the best in Chad and are perfect for each other. Here's to a lifetime of happiness and love. Today is just the beginning of your beautiful journey together. Congratulations and best wishes. Cheers.